Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 2019 230 Outrage. Fantastic boat down here. It gets you into the backwaters, but it'll also take you offshore. You've got the high freeboard. You've got the Abaco blue hull, which is absolutely beautiful. We have underwater lighting in here for at night. It looks beautiful as well, and it's powered by the brand new for this year, the 2019 300 horsepower. It's the new design. It's quieter. It's more powerful. It's just a phenomenal engine. Plenty of power for this boat. Let's hop inside. Let's hop on board. See the rest. Here we are on board the 230 Outrage. Let's start with the back of the boat. Very comfortable seat. Two people, two adults, comfortable. But if you are fishing, conveniently folds right away. Nice leaning post. Live well, conveniently located here as well. Prep station shelf. If you're not using the shelf, just pick it up, lock her in, she goes away. Cooler down below. And as we move to the helm, this particular one is loaded up with all the electronics you're going to need. So VHF, twin ray marines, touchscreens, smart crack, after active trim, digital throttle. It's got everything you need. Great helm, T-top. And as we move forward, we have a real comfortable sitting area. You got two people, again, very comfortable right here. In a fish box down underneath when you catching all your fish. You can either have this with nothing on it and it's all non-skid up here for when you're out fishing, but if you're going out for the day, for the beach, or for dinner, whatever, you can put a pillow cushion, lay in the sun up here. It's fantastic. Windless. You get the sun top right here, which puts this in the shade if you want to get out of the sun. So it does really pretty much everything. Offshore, inside, does it all. So if you have any questions, would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.